YouTube, what is up? It is the anonymous Sneakerhead, man, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. As you can see, this is a really quick video, man, but we got some great news today, man. I'm super excited. Woke up to 1,000 subscribers, man. We hit our goal of 1,000 by the end of the year. I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't sure we were gonna get it done. Especially like last week, I was like, man, we're kind of far away. We were like 30 something away. We were in the 970 range, but y'all came through, man. Great late Christmas present, you know what I'm saying? I just wanted to get this video out real quick because a pre-recorded video that I did like a week and a half ago, I'm gonna drop that tomorrow, another lacer tutorial for you guys on Jordan 4s. But in there, I'm gonna say, you're gonna hear me say, well, the goal is hit 1,000 by the end of the year, but we smashed that goal, man. Thank y'all so much. So like I said, that video is gonna drop for y'all tomorrow, and then later in the week, I'm not gonna be able to make a video tomorrow, I'm gonna be busy, but later in the week, make sure you follow the Instagram at anonymous Sneakerhead. Make sure that you're paying attention to what's going on there and on YouTube as well. I'm going to be telling you guys what I'm doing for the 1,000 subscriber giveaway, how to enter and all of that. So just make sure that you are subscribed to the channel. You got your notifications on. Make sure that you're following the Instagram at anonymous Sneakerhead. And like I said, later this week, you guys will be updated for what's going on for the giveaway, man. Just one more time, thank you to each and every one of you, man. I'm so excited to have hit that 1,000 subscriber mark, man. Thank you for everybody who's been there since the beginning. Thank you for all of the new people, everyone who's been supporting all of that, man. Really dope. Super excited. More to come, man. I'll see y'all, and as always, it's all about the sneakers.